This is a very old coin, irradium material coin. This is a very old coin. In this video, I will show you this coin test with the fire. This is a lighter. Normally, we are using for lighting cigarette or other items. This is a candle. I just light up the candle. This is a very powerful old coin, irradium material. As you can see. Next, we will test this coin with the fire. This coin always reject the fire. You can see, right? The fire getting off or fire moving other side of the coin. Always repel the fire. This is a very powerful coin. You can see this is a magical power of this coin. When I place coin near to the fire getting repelled to this coin. I adjusted the autofocusing and the exposure. Now you can clearly see that the fire reaction with this coin. This is a very rare coin. You can see, yes. This is a fire test with this coin. Yes. Now totally switch off the fire. This is 100% real magic.